Hello everyone, 'tis I, AirsoftAl, dreaming with cheer and joy as the holidays draw near. As you have seen with your eyes all about, my airsoft tree is here in front and about. And my cat is playing with my Oakleys, oh dear. Quit playing with my Oakleys, you silly little kitty of dear! I'll just simply zip this up and hide it with the carols behind my beautiful airsoft tree, for which I shall not sing about. As you can see, my tree is decorated with that which is soft, of air, which is awesome. What about, you may ask? Well, there's a dead rag and high cap, as well as some Oakleys. Oh look, there's even a 1911 above an eagle of desert. As where it should be. So if you're wondering if I'll stop with these rhymes all about, I will say no. I love it. I'm a holiday nut. So here's where we begin this video unedited. Until later, when I am not as lazy or as tempted. So here we will go and sing of carols. Of what, you may ask? Why, of 12 Days of Airsoft, you silly morons. So we shall begin unedited, no music. Only the purest of my voice will you hear me sing of this song. Damn it! I stopped rhyming. I'm not really good with the rhyme all that much. You could probably tell. So, fuck you. But this is in fact the unedited version of 12 Days of Airsoft, which is the parody of 12 Days of Christmas, which I love to death. So, shall we begin? Wait a minute. This hat ain't working. I gotta change a hat. No. Okay, now this is just racist. This is Disney. Yeah, this'll work. Okay, here we go. Oh, on the first day of Christmas that Airsoft gave to me, an Elite Force 1911. Oh, on the second day of Christmas that Airsoft gave to me, 2 H&Ks and an Elite Force 1911. On the third day of Christmas that Airsoft gave to me, 3 tag rounds, 2 H&Ks, and an Elite Force 1911. On the fourth day of Christmas that Airsoft gave to me, 4 9-bangers, 3 tag rounds, 2 H&Ks, and an Elite Force 1911. On the 5th day of Christmas that Airsoft gave to me, 5 miniguns, 4 9-bangers, 3 tag rounds, 2 H&Ks, and an Elite Force 1911. On the 6th day of Christmas that Airsoft gave to me, 6 JG AUGs, 5 miniguns, 4 9-bangers, 3 tag rounds, 2 H&Ks, and an Elite Force 1911. On the 7th day of Christmas that Airsoft gave to me, 7 G&G 25s. We'll go with that. 6 JG AUGs, 5 miniguns, 4 9-bangers, 3 tag rounds, 2 H&Ks, and an Elite Force 1911. Oh, on the 8th day of Christmas that Airsoft gave to me, 8 Wii guns, 7 G&G S25s, 6 JG AUGs, 5 mini guns, 4 9-bangers, 3 tag rounds, 2 H&Ks, and an Elite Force 1911. On the 9th day of Christmas that Airsoft gave to me, 9 high caps, 8 Wii guns, 7 G&G 25s, 6 JG AUGs, 5 mini guns, 4 9-bangers, 3 tag rounds, 2 H&Ks, and an Elite Force 1911. On the 10th day of Christmas, thank God it's almost done, 10 AKs, 9 high caps, 8 Wii guns, 7 G&G 25s, 6 JG AUGs, 5 mini guns, 4 9-bangers, 3 tag rounds, 2 H&Ks, and an Elite Force 1911. Trying to do this on a single breath, not easy. Okay. On the 11th day of Christmas that Airsoft gave to me, 11 mag pulls, 10 AKs, 9 high caps, 8 Wii guns, 7 G&G 25, 6 JG AUGs, 5 mini guns, 4 9-bangers, 3 tag rounds, 2 H&Ks, and an Elite Force 1911. On the 12th day of Christmas that Airsoft gave to me, 12 Airsoft cannons, 11 mag pulls, 10 AKs, 9 high caps, 8 Wii guns, 7 G25s, 6 JG AUGs, 5 mini guns, 4 9-bangers, 3 tag rounds, 2 H&Ks, and an Elite Force 1911. Woo! Oh boy. Well, thank goodness there's not 13 days of Christmas. Whew! Well, guys, I wish you all a very Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Thanksgiving, Happy New Year's, and all that good jazz. I'm off now to go write about something else. Click like, share, and subscribe if you want to see me sing more about Christmas, or want to see more of me act like a fool making parodies of very awesome Christmas songs. Until next time, this is AirsoftAl, and I wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas! Happy Hanukkah, Happy Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa, and any other winter solstice holidays, as well as a Happy Thanksgiving. Until next time. Oh, I need some water.